have the old battery out. We're going to move with installing the new Genesis dual battery tray down where the existing hole was. So, your truck, they're off. There we're going to install both batteries. Top tray, which is already pre-wired, solenoids, wiring, everything ready to go. We've got both batteries in place. Top tray is installed and fastened down. We've gone through and hooked up the positive on the auxiliary battery, positive on the stock battery, upgraded to mil-spec terminals. We're going to be hooking up the auxiliary on the factory battery and then adding the mil-spec one on the auxiliary battery. What we've found or whatever in this particular truck, the 2019 Limited, is that there's 4 cables instead of the standard 3 cables shown in the Genesis install. So we've had to add a longer post to our mil-spec terminal, and then it's going to solve our problem. If it works, then we're going to run the G screen from this location, and down in through the firewall, and mount it in the dash.